Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about illustrating and arranging rational numbers. So this is under Mathematics 7. Let us have first the definition of rational numbers for us to be guided here. For our definition, a rational number is any number that can be expressed in the form a over b or a divided by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. Why is our goal here for b not to be equal to 0? It is because if that would be the case, our equation now will become undefined, meaning meaningless. So that we are avoiding that. So therefore, we don't want any zero in our denominator because b here is the denominator. Okay, so let's continue. We have here parts of the rational numbers. The first part is the integers. For integers, we have here the negative integers and positive integers. Later, we will discuss it deeper. Number two, we have here the non-integers. Under this is the fractions, percent, and decimals. Let's have the integers first. So we have here the negative integers. I will give you an example of negative integers. As a over b. I will show you how. Negative 1 can be changed to negative 1 over 1. If you want to change this in the form of a over b, just put 1 in the denominator and that's it. So we have here negative 5. Let's transform it to a over b. So that's negative 5 over 1. Same with negative 100. You can just write negative 100 over 1. It is to prove that negative integers is still part of the rational numbers because based on the definition for the rational numbers, it is any number that can be written in the form of a over b or a divided by b as long as b is not equal to 0. So if you want to transform negative 1 or any of the negative integers in the form of a over b, just to prove that it is a rational number, please put 1 in the denominator and that's it. Next, let's have the other part. We have here the whole numbers. Whole numbers that we are referring to here is the positive integers. I will give you an example. So we can have whole numbers. Let's say that we have here 10, let's say 50, 200, and so on and so forth. Again, let's write an ellipsis here. There are a lot of whole numbers. We can write it at the same time here. So therefore, we are to use an ellipsis here. Again, whole numbers are the numbers that are considered to be positive integers. So, therefore, when we are referring to whole numbers or positive integers, the sign should be positive. Then, how can we prove that these numbers are rational numbers? It is because we can write this in the form of A over B. How? Just write 1 in the denominator, then it is now in the form of A over B. So that's 10 over 1. Let's have 50. 50 over 1 and 200 over 1 and 500 over 1. Now it is in the form of A over B. And that's it for the whole numbers. Next, let's have the non-integers. For the non-integers, we have here the percent. I know that you are familiar with percent because we usually see percent anywhere, especially at the mall. When there are discounts, we see percents there. So let us have the definition. So a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. It is denoted using percent sign. I will show you what it looks like to have a percentage here. Let's say that we have here 50%. This is what I am referring to. Just write 50, a number, and then put this sign, this one, and this is 50%. So based on the definition, it can be expressed as a fraction of 100. So meaning 50 per 100. Or if you want to write this as a fraction or in the form of A over B, just write 50 over 100 since based on the definition, it is expressed as a fraction of 100. So the denominator should be 100. Another, let's say that we have here 2%. So just like 50%, it means that 2 per 100. So if you want to transform this into a fraction, just write 2 over 100 and that's it. And also, we can say that percent is under rational numbers because obviously we can transform it in the form of A over B, just like 2 over 100. As long as we can transform it in the form A over B, then it is a rational number. So this is it for the part one of our topic for today. If you want to continue this, please look for the part two of this topic. We will upload it in our page and also in our YouTube channel. So, if you have inquiries about the topic or about us, please contact our FB page, which is the Honors Tutorial. That's it for today, and God bless. Bye.